everyone. Good to be with you again. I have some really fun and interesting things planned for today, all about musical instruments. So let's start with one of our favorite songs. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. I'm so glad to see you today. Hello to all the boys. Hello to all the girls. Hello to all the teachers. Hello, everybody. Hey, hey, how are you today? Hey, hey, how are you today? Hey, hey, how are you today? We'll sing and dance and play. Hey, hey, clap your hands today. Hey, hey, clap your hands today. Hey, hey, clap your hands today. Sing and dance and play. Hey, hey, bounce around today. Hey, hey, bounce around today. Hey, hey, bounce around today. We'll sing and dance and play. Hey, hey, stamp your feet today. Hey, hey, stamp your feet today. Hey, hey, stamp your feet today. We'll sing and dance and play. Hey, hey, blow one kiss today. Just one. Hey, hey, blow one kiss today. Mwah. Hey, hey, blow one kiss today. We'll sing and dance and play. What a good way to start music time. And it really is music time because everything is about music. The story, the songs, and even a special activity, something we've never done before. So let's get on with our story. It's called Lost and Found. What's that sound? So right here it says Lost and Found. It's a lost and found department. We have one at school. There's a basket in the hallway, and it's if kids lose something like a sock, a hat, a sweater. The teachers will put it in the lost and found basket. So your parents or your teacher might come in and say, so-and-so lost a jacket. We've been looking for it. The teachers might say, go look in that basket in the hallway. It might be there. So sometimes a store or a restaurant or something will have a lost and found department. A whole place where you can go and look for things that maybe you lost. Could be a cell phone. Could be your mom or dad lost their wallet. Who knows? Important stuff. And the things in this book are very important. So, the characters in this book are not exactly people. They're animals who play musical instruments. Lost and Found, what's that sound? And it was written by Jonathan Ying. And here's the rabbit. He works in the Lost and Found department. Welcome to the Lost and Found, where we find items by their sound. Now, as you can guess, a rabbit probably has very good hearing because of these long ears. I think he's the perfect animal to work in that department. And in comes a tiny mouse who says, the thing I lost goes toot, toot, toot. I've spent all day in hot pursuit. That means he's been looking everywhere. So the rabbit will try to help him find it. And he brings out several things that go toot, toot, toot. Toot. Is it a bicycle? Toot. Is it that trumpet? Toot. Is it the train? And the mouse says, "This is what I was looking for. My trumpet. It is lost no more." So he was looking for his trumpet. Toot, 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 toot. Then, can you guess what animal that is? That big long paddle of a tail is called a beaver. And he says, "The thing I lost goes ding, ding, ding. Have you heard of such a thing?" So the rabbit brought out several things. Let's see if I can turn the page. He brought out this bell. Ding! He brought out some wind chimes. Ding! He brought out this triangle. Ding! And the beaver said, "My triangle, you found it there. Thank you kindly, Mr. Hare." A hare is another word for a rabbit. So far he's found a trumpet and a triangle. Oh, I wonder what an elephant could play. "The thing I lost goes plink, plank, plunk. I play it with my big, long trunk." Well, I have to tell you, this one was a little iffy because I have one of these, and when I play it, I hope it doesn't sound plink, plank, plunk. So the rabbit brought out a piggy bank, plink, and a bucket of water, plank, and a piano, plunk. And the elephant said, "My piano, may I have it, please? I need some time to tune the keys." And I guess when he plays it, it sounds like plink, plank, plunk. Oh well, maybe he needs more practice. And in came the squirrel. "The thing I lost goes boom, boom, boom. Have you seen it in this room?" That might be kind of easy to guess. What instrument do you think might go boom, boom, boom? Probably not a xylophone, right? Is it the dinosaur toy? Goes boom. Well, kinda. A hammer? Boom. But are those instruments? How about this big bass drum? Boom, boom, boom. "My drum, I see you found it. Wow! Just hang on, guys. I'm ready now." Isn't that funny? The little squirrel with the big, big instrument. So 4 animals have found their instruments. And then in comes a bat. "At last I found the lost and found. The things I've lost make many sounds, like toot, toot, ding, plunk, boom, boom. I really need to find them soon." That's what the rabbit does. Can you do that? Sometimes we do that if we're thinking hard or if we're confused. So, "I hear the things you're looking for. The sounds are coming from next door." Wonder what's in there. All the animals and their instruments. I'll bet they were practicing. "You found my things, they sound so grand. 1, 2, 3. And there he has his little conductor's baton. "Strike up the band. Toot, toot, ding, plunk, boom, boom." So I wonder if the animals were getting ready to put on a musical show and they misplaced their instruments. And everybody found what they were looking for. Pretty lucky, huh? The end. Lost and Found, What's That Sound? By Jonathan Ying. Well, now you are going to have a chance to guess not that sound, but we're going to play a little game called Name That Tune. A tune is a song without the words. It's just the music. So I'm going to play some music on one of the instruments that was in that book. You remember the one that went plink, plank, plunk? Well, I hope mine does not sound like that. But let me turn my camera kind of pointed down this way. Do you see what I have? Yeah, I have a piano keyboard. And I'm going to play some simple songs and see if you can guess what they are. Let me turn it up a little bit so that you'll be able to hear it. And we'll start with a really simple one. See if you know what this is. It could actually be several songs. All right. Did you guess Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Or Baa Baa Black Sheep? Or the ABC song? Any of those? If you did, you were right on all of them. Now I'm going to play with two hands and see if you can guess what this is. It's a song about sleeping. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. I'll bet you guessed that one very easily. Let's see what else we have. I hope everybody knows this song, and I hope you've had this song sung to you lots and lots of times. So, what do we sing on your birthday? Let's sing it together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear everybody. Happy birthday to you. I've had that sung to me, oh my goodness, more times than I can count. Okay, here's one we sang a few months ago. One of my favorites. Did that make you feel like you were in the snow? Jingle bells? Okay, one more song, and I'll bet you'll know this one too. clappy? Did you clap your hands? Name that tune. That's right. That was kind of fun. All righty. So, now that I gave my fingers a workout, let's do the same for yours. We are going to do our apple tree song, and today we're adding 2 new signs. 2. And I don't think they'll be tricky at all because I think they make a lot of sense. Like if you were going to say that something was high in the air, you might take your hand and raise it up. Well, that's the sign for high. So if something was low, it would be the opposite. This would be low. This would be high. And if you wanted to sign in sign language that you wanted to smile, you would just make a smile. So we're going to add high and smile to our song. All right, you ready? Way up high in the apple tree, 2 red apples smiled at me. I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the apples. They were good. So maybe I want an orange instead. We use all the same signs except change apple to orange. Way up high in the orange tree, 2 oranges smiled at me. I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the, mixed up, oranges. They were good. Yep, teachers get mixed up too. So, what about if I wanted one of these? Do you remember what's long and yellow? A banana, that's right. Way up high in the banana tree, 2 yellow bananas smiled at me. I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the bananas. They were good. And you did a very good job. Good for us. All right. So here's another song I've been doing with some of the classes, just for fun. And it's about this, I don't know, kind of silly old man. And he likes to take long walks every day. And when he goes home, instead of walking home, he rolls. This old man. All right? And all we're going to do is to show on our fingers the numbers as we do in the song. And sometimes we'll pat on our knees like knick, knack, patty, whack. Give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. You'll get the idea. This old man, he played 1. He played knick, knack on my thumb. With a knick, knack, patty, whack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. So, that'll be the same pretty much for every verse. We'll just change the word. This old man, he played 2. He played knick-knack on my shoe. With a knick-knack, patty-whack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. So then on 3, he'll play on my knee. This old man, he played 3. He played knick-knack on my knee. With a knick-knack, patty-whack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Then for 1, 2, 3, 4, it's on my floor. This old man, he played 4. He played knick-knack on my floor. With a knick-knack, patty-whack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. And then for how many? 5. He'll play on my side. It's almost a rhyme. This old man, he played 5. He played knick-knack on my side with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Okay, good for you. So, I'm going to move my chair away and we're going to do some dancing. So, let me pause for just a moment and you friends can get ready to stand up. All right, friends, this is one of my favorites. It's called Switch on the Music. And this song pretends that we're going to a dance party. And we're dancing, having a good time, when whoops, somebody trips over the cord of our music machine or our speaker and pulls out the plug and all the music goes, oh, and the power goes off. So when the power goes off, so does our power. We're just gonna slouch over. You'll see how it goes. Kind of like a freeze dance. Kind of, sort of. You'll get the idea. It's a lot of fun.
We were playing a song everybody loved, a jumpy little tune called a Jitterbug. Clara got crazy and she twirled about, tripped over that chord and she pulled that plug, tripped over that chord and she pulled the plug. Switch on the music, we were having fun. Don't stop the party when we just begun. What's going on and causing this delay? We came for dancing, let the music play. Rita and Freddie sifting through the songs. Choose the next tune, couldn't agree on which. She wanted bebop and he wanted blues. Freddie got mad and he flipped the switch. Freddie got mad and he flipped the switch. Switch on the music, we were having fun. Don't stop the party when we just begun. What's going on and causing this delay? We came for dancing, let the music play. Switch on the music, snap on the sound. We got the rhythm, don't slow us down. Switch on the music, keep up the beat. We're in the mood to pick up our feet. Then the people beat it, please serve a snack. A tasty little treat is what we all could use. Peter plugged the popcorn maker in. The circuit overloaded and it blew a fuse. The circuit overloaded and it blew a fuse. Switch on the music, we were having fun. Don't stop the party when we just begun. What's going on and causing this delay? We came for dancing, let the music play. Switch on the music, snap on the sound. We got the rhythm, don't slow us down. Switch on the music, keep up the beat. We're in the mood to kick up our feet.
Okay. So, that one was fun and kind of lively. Now let's get one to calm us down. All right. This one is called Put Your Hands Up in the Air.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands down on your nose. Put your hands up in the air. touch your toes. Everybody turn around. Now let's all jump up and down. Put your right hand in the air. Put your right hand on your lips. Put your left hand in the air. Now put both hands on your hips. Everybody turn around. Now let's all jump up and down. Walk back quietly to your seat. Don't let the teacher hear your feet. Put your hands in your lap. Bow your head and take a nap. Bow your head and take a nap.
Good for us. All right. I think we have time to do a song or two that you like. The only problem is you're not here to tell me what you like, so I will have to guess. All righty. Luckily, I know you pretty well. Let's see. How about Tingalayo? Of that silly donkey who likes to sit in our kitchen. Tingalayo, run my little donkey, run. Tingalayo, run my little donkey, run. My donkey my donkey haw, my donkey sits on the kitchen floor. My donkey my donkey haw, my donkey sits on the kitchen floor. Tingalayo, run my little donkey, run. Tingalayo, run my little donkey, run. My donkey sings, my donkey eats, my donkey kicks with his two hind feet. My donkey sings, my donkey eats, my donkey kicks with his two hind feet. Tingalayo, run my little donkey, run. Tingalayo, run my little donkey, run. Always a fun one, right? Okay, friends, I will see you very soon. I miss being with you. Bye-bye. Goodbye, everybody, time to go. Goodbye, everybody, time to go. Goodbye, see you later.